The birth of the food processor.
The food processor began revolutionizing kitchens in the early 1970s. French catering equipment salesman Pierre Verdon invented the first model, called the Robot-Coupe. His machine was designed to help chefs quickly chop, slice, and mix ingredients, drastically cutting down meal preparation time and effort for both professionals and home cooks.
Arrival in American kitchens.
In 1973, the Cuisinart food processor debuted in the United States, quickly gaining popularity. Chef Julia Child and other culinary icons endorsed it, touting its ability to handle complex food preparation tasks with ease. The appliance brought professional techniques like consistent chopping and kneading dough into the average home kitchen for the first time.
Technological innovations.
Food processors evolved rapidly during the 1980s and 1990s. Manufacturers introduced new attachments and features like interchangeable blades, feeding tubes, and more powerful motors. These improvements expanded the types of food preparation possible, from shredding cheese to making nut butter, giving home cooks and chefs greater culinary flexibility.
Impact on meal preparation.
By making chopping, slicing, and mixing faster and more consistent, food processors revolutionized the way meals were prepared. Dishes that once required lengthy manual labor could now be assembled in minutes, encouraging experimentation and homemade cooking. The food processor became a staple for everything from daily dinners to elaborate entertaining.
The food processor today.
Modern food processors come in a variety of sizes and designs, tailored for beginner cooks and culinary professionals alike. With innovations like digital controls and easier cleaning, they continue to make meal prep more efficient. The food processor remains a beloved tool, symbolizing both technological progress and the enduring joy of home cooking.